Today we're here at the Welsh National Sheep event, something that takes place in Wales every 2 years, goes around all the counties, so it's wonderful to welcome this event to Montgomeryshire and have an opportunity for the college to be present. The majority of people here today are local farmers or connected with the industry, potentially having families, students who in fact are looking to come to us. We've also got 5 students in the Young Shepherd competition, which we hope will do well. We've also won the best outdoor stand at trade stand today, and that again has given us another sort of boost. Newtown College Farm, everybody came along and said congratulations, well done. It's just a great opportunity to tell everybody about what we've got at college, what sort of things they can do, the range of things, courses from level 2 to HND. We've also got horticulture, we've also got catering students working alongside Hubby Key Cymru, a wonderful opportunity, and demming a whole load of lamb dishes. So just a wonderful opportunity for the college, and really thank you to National Sheep for inviting us.